In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro templates. We'll start right on your Miro dashboard. Pick the board where you want to add a template or create a fresh board if you want a clean space to work in. If you're starting from scratch, a new board keeps things tidy and helps you focus on the template without distractions. Either way, make sure the board is open and you can see the left-hand toolbar. Next, we'll open the template library. Look to the left toolbar and click the templates button. In some layouts, you might see an apps icon that leads to templates. Either option takes you to the same library. This opens a panel with a wide range of ready-made structures designed to save you time and give your work a consistent look. Now let's find the template that fits your goal. You can browse by category, things like brainstorming, agile workflows, or design, if you're exploring and want inspiration. If you already know what you need, use the search bar to type in a specific template name, such as Kanban, mind map, or SWOT analysis. As you look around, think about how much structure you want. Some templates are lightweight and flexible, while others provide detailed frameworks to guide a full process. When something looks promising, click the template to open a preview. This is your chance to scan the layout, read the description, and make sure it matches your use case. If it looks right, click Use Template. Miro will place it on your board, usually centered based on your current view. If you don't see it right away, zoom out a bit to locate it. With the template on your board, it's time to make it yours. Drag elements to rearrange sections, pull from the corners to resize frames and shapes, and double-click any text to edit it. Add your own content by placing sticky notes, text blocks, and shapes directly onto the template. You can also adjust colors and labels to align with your team or project, keep related items grouped for easy moving, and use consistent colors to signal categories or priorities. If the template includes extra parts you don't need, feel free to delete them to reduce clutter. On the flip side, duplicate sections if you want to expand a pattern that's working well. That's it. Open your board, access the template library, browse or search, choose your template, and customize it so it fits your workflow. Templates are there to jumpstart your process, so tailor them confidently and keep things simple.